shortcut trick. N plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3 equal to 120. How to find the value of n? When you multiply and you will get the value of n, it is very difficult for you. You have to understand one easy method. 120 do LCM. What is coming? 30, then 15, and 3, 5. Here, got this? Now it is given n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3. What to do? Here, 1, 2, 3, 4 values are given. You have to write like this. First write 2, then write 3, then write these two together 4, and then write 5. 2, 3 are 6, 4 are 20, 25 are 120. Now we compare these to these. First n is 2, n plus 1 is 2. If it is, then what? 2 plus 1, 3. Here is 3. 2 plus 2, 4. Here is 4. 2 plus 3, 5. This is 5. So by comparing these two, what is the value of n? N equal to 2. Is it? Now this is a shortcut trick for your n-tracing solution.